My name's Dave Brothers with the Butte County Fire Safe Council. We're here today in lovely Forest Ranch in the community of the Doe Mill Ridge. We're looking at a site where we've brought in prescribed fire over the last 18 years. And it's just a really good showcase of the benefits of good fire in our community.
We're at Dave Mitchell's property, and we're discussing with the group how he carries out these prescribed fires on his property. But overall, he's able to carry this out by himself with little help. And like he was saying, as long as he's burning within that prescribed window where conditions are good and favorable, he has really good results. So far, he's had some really good success, and he's wanting to pass this knowledge on to his other landowners as well as the Fire Safe Council. For the last 100 years, we've tried to exclude fire from the ecosystem, and we need a change in thinking, a paradigm shift, where we have to reintroduce fire on a controlled level back into the landscape. The council doesn't do the actual burning, but we're really helpful and resourceful in getting the property ready for a prescribed burn.